Vivo Y16 comes with 6.51 inches display, Helio P35 processor, 3GB RAM, 32GB inbuilt storage, 13MP rear cameras, 5MP selfie camera, drizzling gold, stellar black colors, 5000 mAh battery, and more. Find Vivo Y16 series full details, first look, best deal, download firmware updates, coupons, offers, comparisons, case, review, models, RAM, ROM, battery, screen size, chipset, colors, user reviews, rating, and more specs on Pricebee. For the latest tech news and Vivo mobile news, follow Pricebee Gadgets on Twitter, Facebook, and Google News. Also, find all informations about gemstones. Vivo Y16 price in Pakistan is 28,999 rupees as of the 19th of November 2022. The price of this Vivo latest mobile phone in USA is $161 USD, while its price in India is Rs. 14,572. The Vivo Y16 phone is speculated to be launched on the 20th of September 2022, expected. The lowest rate of the Vivo Y16 PTA approved will be 28,999 Pakistani rupees on Priceoy. You will be able to buy this Vivo Y16 lightweight, sleek, stylish phone in different colors options, and storage variants across various online and offline stores.